Hello everyone and welcome back to 20 Plenty. Today we'll see about how to mask the text in your Canva design. So let's start. You can see the image on the screen. We can do that also. So I will show you how to do this step by step. Okay. First of all, select the size in which you want to make a design. So I'm gonna select one flyer. Of course, I'll select one blank page. Then add the photo of your choice in it, whichever photo you want to add in your design. So I will choose one photo from the stock photos of Canva. Search, or you can choose it from your gallery also. You can see the arrow on screen. So I wanted a jumping girl. I'm searching the jumping girl photo. Then choose whichever photo you like and you want to add in your design. Okay. So I have chosen this and now adjust it to the size of your design, whatever canvas you have chosen. So adjust it. I'm adjusting. After adjusting, now click on the duplicate icon to duplicate the photo. Now we will remove the background of the duplicated photo. First adjust it on the original image according to its size and then remove the background. Once we have removed the background, now we'll crop some of the corners of the duplicated image. Okay, so I'm here cropping the image so that we can move it easily afterwards if we would have to. Okay, done. Now no one can say there are two images, we have adjusted well. Then let's add the text. You can see there are many font combinations available. Let's scroll down. Yeah, there are so many font combinations available, but I will go with the ordinary subheading. Okay, so now we have the text box. You can change its size, color, or whichever you want to. Now I'm changing its color to the white. Then add the text what you want to add. I'm gonna add अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो, which means live your life to the fullest. Live your everyday like it's last day of your life. I like that line, so I'm using it here. So I'm done with the text. Let's adjust it to its position. Adjust font size and alignment accordingly. Once done with it, now duplicate the text also after adjusting it to the center or wherever you want to adjust. Now choose the hollow effect for the duplicated text. Let's choose it. We are gonna select that hollow effect. Let's separate the duplicated text so that will be move the original text to backward, adjust its position to backward. So let's do that. Position backward. Okay. Now adjust the remaining duplicated text on it so that it won't look blurry and lousy. So we're gonna adjust it perfectly. Done. So done. And if you want to resize it for saving, you can resize it from here. So I'm gonna do it 1080 and 1380. So copy and resize it in whichever size you want and just save it. Our design is ready. So tell me in the comments how was the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also share it with your partners, friends, colleagues, I mean to say learning partners with whom you learn most of the things like this also. And tell me in the comments what you want to learn next. Thank you.